have you seen this video yet? I'm here to dazzle in e.l.f.'s Jelly Pop comeback. Today, Mommy's going to show you how she did my watermelon costume. She found these red socks at Walmart that perfectly matches the watermelon's vibrant hue. Now let's face it, finding a watermelon costume is like hunting for unicorns. And even if we stumbled upon one, it will probably be a size too large for me. So Mommy put on her D.I.Y thinking cap and had a genius plan involving socks and some crafty magic. It's only a two-step process. Snip the sock's tip and create the leg-friendly gap in the middle. Voila! It hugs me like a snug glove. Or should I say, sock. Next in the lineup, black Sharpie in hand. Just a quick reminder, a trusty piece of cardboard inside keeps the ink from playing hopscotch to the other side. Oh, the beauty of creativity. Sprinkle in as much seeds as your heart desires, or if you're feeling a bit minimalist, go easy on them. And for the star of the show, the headpiece. The tiniest watermelon on the block was still a smidge too massive for my petite head. So Mommy went all crafty Picasso and transformed a green apple into a cunning watermelon rind. Can you spot the difference? Yeah, me neither. And here I am, dressed to impress, rocking my watermelon crown with utter perfection.